I was trying to figure out what angle this face is at, and then I realized it literally just says 10.5 degrees right there. I just thought that was kind of cool, and I just finished the design. I want to customize it somehow because I'm 3D printing. I got to put something custom on there. Golf Daddy. Golf Daddy? That's kind of stupid. Oh, I got it. What is Tiger Woods' favorite song? Return of the Mac. This is Tiger Woods' favorite song. It's 4 a.m. I'm gonna put Return of the Mac song lyrics all over the golf club. Is that a dumb idea? I should just print it out. Is this really worth it? Is it worth it? All right, this might be pushing the limit a little bit. I was just thinking that it's crazy. I spent 4 hours in a program. Now all I gotta do is pour this bottle into that thing, click print, and a golf club appears. Holy shit. Oh, I think it actually printed flawlessly. No. Oh my god. It's so crazy. It actually printed an entire golf club on one build plate. Wow, that's awesome. This is definitely going to Oh, that is not good. What are my expectations of how this thing will perform? I'm giving it probably, based on this, a 5% chance to survive. There's no grass in the shop, so I just have to do this. Just walking up there, it's not, this is gonna be bad. Back up a little bit, just so I can get a good follow through. I need to put safety goggles on. First attempt, it didn't break. I really didn't go 100% though. Let's try and go 100% this time. I want to try something. Completely undamaged. See the damage that was done to the... I'm extremely curious on how far this thing could drive if I got an actual golf club shaft. Do I continue and make a 3D printed driver, or do I do something else? That's the question.